Hello, my name is Chen, and today we are going to talk about Moodle for Teachers, which is the manager practice area. And today we will be focused on what a manager can do on Moodle for Teacher. First, you log in as normal, and then click on My Courses. Then you move to manager practice area. As you can see here, there is a list of classes that you can attend, and just click. Okay, this is the manager practice area. This is the instructions for manager practice area blocks on Moodle. So as a manager, most of the things you can do is to add or delete the blocks on Moodles. Now this is an instructions, and it's interesting that if you are a manager, you can also modify the content here. So we will come back to this later. First, let's move to practice area. Okay, this is the instruction. We will add some blocks here. First, you need to open your turn your editing light on by clicking on the green symbol. Okay, now it turns to red, and you can turn it off anytime you want. Okay, as you can see, now you are a manager. It's interesting that as a manager, you can also do what a teacher can do. You can add an activity or resource by clicking here. I'm not going to add anything here, but I will add a label as to make sure that people know this is my practice area. Okay, let's click label and add. Here in my label text will be my name, Chan's manager practice area. Just wait a minute because it's a bit slow. Okay, in Chan's manager practice area. Okay, if you take a look closer, you can modify the color or the fonts of this label to make it more outstanding, like this. Okay, just click here so you can see 3 rows, and you can choose whatever you want. For example, I change my font to Georgia. The size is 4. Okay, and I want it bold. I change the color to red. Okay, so it will look more kind of more attractive than others. And save and return to course. Okay, so as you can see, this is my label. Now it's time to add a block. So if you scroll down and look closer at the right bottom of manager practice area, you will see add a block here. Just click on add. Here I'm going to add a block menu, for example. We just wait some minutes. Okay, so let's move down. And you can see a new block menu here. Okay, block menu that I have just added here, and you can also modify by click on configure block menu block. For example, the appearance display on page time. For example, I want it to display any page, any course page, any type of course main page. Is a religion, I want it to be left or right or footer, middle, right, okay, it depends. The weight 40, visible, of course, yes. Religion, right, just like where it appears, and weight 14, just like where it appear, and then we save the change. So this is the block menu that I have just added, and my label as well. So I'm going to delete it. Yes, no more Yến Trần label, and I'm going to delete my block menu as well. You can click here and then delete block menu block. Yes. Okay. You can also see that if you're a manager, you can do something here. You can highlight the topic, and you can also hide the topic. Now let's move to the instructions here. Okay, now you can see that you can modify the content by clicking here. You can type anything here, but of course you should not type anything here because you're not allowed to, so you just save the changes. Right. Finally, I'm going to turn the editing right off, and we come back to a student's role. Alright, that's all. So I have finished my assignment as a manager in manager practice area. Thank you for your comment and your reflecting on my assignment. Once again, Yến Trần from Vietnam. Goodbye.